light. I don't know, yeah, you can see it. Okay, sweet. This is me doing test out this new Nerf gun. Look at the shape of it, boys. Doesn't that look sick or what? Oh, dude, I can almost get it all on frame without having to zoom out. That's freaking sick. Let's try it out now, boys. Let's see if you can get. Let's see if we can get the car from right here. Yeah. Having more fun with the Nerf gun now, boys. Let's go. Seriously, one got jammed. For reals. Okay, well, enough of that one. I'm gonna try my old beast one right here, boys. This one, big one's my old one. Let's go. Let's put that in so it'll be really small for the camera. Yeah, baby, let's get it. See if I can hit the car with this one. Oh my god, for reals? I got stuck already. This one's not very good, but you're stuck already. One thing that's so annoying about these Nerf guns, guys, is when you have to pick up the bullets, but it's fun. Good thing it's not windy out here, man. Let's get it, boys. Let's put the clip back in. These bullets are gonna get stuck in here. See if I get right in the camera, huh? Whoa. Well, this will be the end of this video of my new Nerf gun, boys. I don't know if you all see it, but you know, looks pretty sick. Let's look to the other side, check the other side out. Like, there we go. Bullets over here, man. I'm gonna go like this real fast. Pick these up and then we'll go back inside. It's pretty light out here today, huh? Yeah, there's cars, but it's really sunny. It's only been a 5-minute video so far. Damn, dude, the lighting in here looks a little bit better, honestly. I'm gonna cut that off of there. I didn't know if you guys can honestly see the gun. I think it's better lighting in here. So I'll show you this one and the other one here in a minute. I'll go get it. Oh. We'll go back a second, you know? There you go. Well, here in a second I'll show you the other gun, but look, see how it's, oh, someone was cooking something. Okay, so it's going off. Okay, look, it's double tape it together, right? I don't know if I could tape it. Tape it. Oh, I could. Oh shit! Hell yeah! There's plenty of room. Tape 3 of them together, dude. You just flip it over. I'm gonna have tons of bullets. Here's my older Nerf gun, guys. Battery operated too. You can pull this out and make it even longer, so back it up. Yeah. I honestly think this one's the coolest. There we go.